Ayun din pala, travel.
Travel no?
Yeah.
Yung kay Dutch
Yeah.
din may mga naka-cancel. Kay Sarah rin pala, may mga
Um,
naka-cancel rin.
kayo guys, like,
Ako
what trips
din.
did you have canceled in 2020? Because I know
Hong
almost
Kong.
everybody here has had one canceled.
Had to.
Yeah, same. I had two. One to HK, one to Tokyo.
Grabe, ang saklap. I mean, sa akin wala naman out of country or out of town. Like, may parang almost every other week parang nag-hangout ako with the boys. So, parang
Mhm.
bigla na lang nawala yun. I mean, buhay pa naman sila, nandiyan pa naman sila. I just can't risk going outside lang para lang makipag-hangout. I mean, I'm too scared to risk it kasi ayun, parang alam naman natin pandemic and it's a serious thing. Ayun. Siguro yun lang yung sa end ko.
I might as well make note din pala dun sa akin. Pero, as you guys might know, I resigned from my second job early this year. February ako nag-resign. Tiniming ko talaga yung resignation ko for a potential Hong Kong trip. Pero shortly before ako mag-resign, nag-start na yung pandemic, so they closed down they really filtered yung mga nagta-travel to HK, so nakikita natin na parang bumababa yung tao na pumupunta. I was supposed to be at Disneyland nung anniversary namin ng
Oo
girlfriend,
siya,
for
ayos
example.
yun.
But like, wala kami dun. And that's the third time my HK trip's been canceled. The first time na-cancel siya dahil sa riots. Second time, yan, pandemic. I'm pretty sure the third time may gera na siguro nangyayari. I don't know.
Grabe.
Or aliens.
Or
Yeah, aliens could be.
could be or
Earthquake, volcanic explosion, may biglang vulkan pala sa ilalim ng Hong Kong.
or could be just pretty much aliens.
Basically, all you can think of.
Yeah, Pacific
Pero I
Rim
think-
bullshit, may Godzilla.
Pero I think aliens nga
Convergent,
talaga.
divergent,
Yeah, that sort of shit.
tectonic plates.
Tectonic. What?
Hashtag Sag. White people Sag.
Let's go, science girl!
Go.
Tsa, bakapan mo ko dito. Tectonic plates.
Tectonic plates, mitosis, ay iba pala yun.
Ba't puro tectonic
Mitochondria.
plates lang?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondrio, mga ganun.
I'm just saying scientific words na naalala ko pero I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Quadratic formula.
What the fuck? It sounded like math.
That is math.
Okay, fucking hell. Nakakainis.
Algebra yun, pre.
Kilala niyo ba si Rene Descartes?
Polynomials.
Yan, yung mga ganyan. X squared.
Alright.